Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix an error occurred on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting. Tap on your setting. Scroll down little bit, find here apps. Tap on apps. Next, search here YouTube. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear cache. Next, tap on clear data. Go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Tap on Play Store. Search here YouTube. Tap on update icon. Your YouTube apps is already latest version and update. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your YouTube apps. You can see that your YouTube apps is problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.